We're sitting here with Tim, and we did stem cell therapy on Tim's left knee about 6 weeks ago. We were just discussing some of the good results we've had. So, Tim, if you could just kind of share what you've experienced so far, that'd be great.
Yeah, I don't have the pain and stiffness like I did before. I used to have a pain driving even up from up the peninsula to Williamsburg that was like a knife in my knee, and that is all gone. I actually drove my daughter out to the middle of the country to college and had no problems whatsoever. And I can actually walk up and down stairs and not in agony anymore. My wife actually commented to me that I was walking straighter, and you could tell that I wasn't in pain when I walked.
Fantastic. So you said you think you're about 80% better, and you're happy so far. Is that right?
Yes,
all right.
Definitely.
Excellent. Is this something you'd recommend for others?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much.
You bet.
All right. So we're sitting here with Patricia, and we did stem cells on Patricia's knee about 6 weeks ago. She was having some degenerative knee pain, and we were just discussing some of the results we've had so far. So, Patricia, if you could just share what you've experienced at this point.
Well, I haven't been using ibuprofen for the whole entire time, the 6 weeks, and I haven't been feeling pain in my knee. There were times when I was feeling pain when I ate dairy, which I really didn't realize that the dairy could affect my joints, and I stopped eating dairy, and I'm walking around feeling really good.
Good. So at this point, you're real pleased so far?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate this. There's a lot of people out there that need help, and this will help them make good decisions. So thank you.
You're welcome.
We're sitting here with Melinda, and we did stem cell therapy with Melinda for plantar fasciitis, and she's had a really great experience, and we were just discussing what's happened over the last couple of months. So Melinda, if you could just kind of comment on a couple of things you were just sharing with me.
Yes, well, when I came for this therapy, I was experiencing a great deal of pain. It was in my left foot, and after the therapy, very, very quickly I noticed an improvement in my foot. I can walk again. Most of the time I don't even notice any pain, and if I do, it's because I've really, really stressed it out, but it's gone away. So
that's fantastic. So you'd recommend this to others?
I absolutely would.
All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. All right. So we're here with John and Karen, and John and Karen received stem cells last week, and we were just having a conversation about some of the great results that they've seen. And I'm going to let them take it from here. I know Karen started out with some knee pain. So Karen, if you could just talk a little bit about the experience you've had so far.
Okay, since I had the stem cell last week, my knees are feeling better. My left knee still is a little bit sore, but I'm not taking any of the medication I used to take. So the level is still the same as it was when I was on medication. So,
right.
And my right knee is feeling great.
That's awesome. And it's only been a week, right?
It's a week.
It's only been a week. Now, with John had concerns starting this of beginning stages of dementia and even some other ailments. And I know he was just really excited telling me about some stuff. John, what are you experiencing?
Well, as I told you when we first came, I know I was losing it.
Mm-hmm.
I'd gotten let go by my partner because of that. And since the stem cells, I know I'm getting it back. I can just tell. My mind is so much sharper. I used to love to do programming, and I couldn't, and it really bugged me. And I actually wrote a program yesterday and put it in the computer, and it worked.
Awesome.
And it felt great.
Awesome. Karen, you said you noticed it in him, right? You noticed the sharpness?
Absolutely.
Okay. Awesome. Well, so you guys are happy so far?
Absolutely, because my knees are better, my back is better, and
outstanding.
Fantastic.
Well, I can't wait to see where we're at in a couple months. So thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Okay.
You're welcome.